Hey guys, Ray from Lovey RV and Boat. Just a quick video on this neat gadget I picked up for my Starlink dish. I have the version 2 dish. It's kind of a square dish. Usually what I've been doing is using its stand either on the ground, or if we're somewhere for a while, I'll go up on the roof and just strap it to one of my vents. But I found this neat little mount, kind of a pole mount. So I do have, you see here, I have a flagpole, and so I can utilize the flagpole and just put the little mount on the flagpole. So when I stop, I can just quickly put it up there. Let's go up there and show you that mount. It's quite a nice small mount compared to the one that Starlink sells. So this just clips in place. Starlink dish pulls in and out of that, and then that clamps onto the mount. They included these rubber shims here for it, so it's worked out quite well. Already had lots of good windstorms here, but it's a good way to utilize my existing flag pole mounts that are on the ladder there. This is my old flagpole mount that I had before, and I utilize it for my weather station there. So I don't have the cord actually going through the RV. I didn't install a plug. I'll just show you what I do. Just run it under the slide here. And then my particular RV has a thing for the water hose here. So I can just run it into there. And then inside I have the router and the AC power. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. Another option for mounting the Starlink if you happen to have already a pole and a pole mount on your RV.